Less than 20 miles from downtown Seattle, a Northwest Wonderland awaits. Placed on over 5 acres of private and enchanting grounds, this remarkable custom home offers a warm and inviting retreat. As you enter the gated drive, your eye is drawn to the clean lines of the Northwest contemporary architectural style. Falling water greets your arrival as you enter along a slate corridor. Around the corner, the great room awaits, with a floor-to-ceiling concrete cast fireplace and wood from maple trees. The wall of windows perfectly frames a triple mountain view, where Tiger Mountain and Squak Mountain envelop Mount Rainier. Enjoy the colors of all 4 seasons as nature's landscape unfolds before you. The entertaining spaces flow seamlessly together. A fabulous gourmet kitchen for culinary creations and expansive dining room for dinners with the best of friends. 3 outdoor entertaining areas offer endless options for dining al fresco. At the far end, you'll find the master suite with its own fireplace, sitting area, relaxing bath, and views of the koi pond and mountains. 2 additional bedrooms and 2 baths offer plenty of space for guests. Down the hall, French doors lead to a light-filled office and a casual family room just around the corner. Outside, the garden path leads to your own treehouse, designed by world-renowned builder Pete Nelson of HGTV. Over 750 square feet from timbers standing mightily in the sky. Inside, find a place to relax with a book or game night with friends. The wet bar and bathroom make entertaining easy at this hideaway. The adventure continues with a sleeping loft and even more views from the treehouse deck. Private, serene, enchanting. A true Northwest Wonderland, all your own.